In this video, you'll learn how to sum a column in Notion. This process will allow you to efficiently calculate totals within your database, enhancing your data management capabilities. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Notion. Ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid any loading issues. Once you are on the Notion homepage, look for the option to add a new page. This is typically found in the left sidebar. Clicking this will open a blank page for you to work on. On the new page, select the area designated for the title. This is where you will name your page. Enter a descriptive title that reflects the content you plan to create. Next, click on an empty space within the page. This action will ensure you are ready to input further commands without any distractions. Type in the command /database into the blank space. This command will prompt Notion to present you with database options to choose from. From the options provided, click on Databases Inline. This will insert a database directly into your current page, allowing for immediate interaction. After inserting the database, type the word sum in the space provided. This indicates your intention to perform a summation within the database setup. Proceed by clicking on New Page to create a new entry in your database. This action will allow you to input relevant data for your summation. Type in budget 1 as the title for your first entry. This will help you keep track of the values you intend to sum later. Click on New Page again to add a second entry in the database. It is important to maintain a consistent naming convention for clarity. Now type budget 2 for your second entry. This will serve as the label for the second value you wish to include in your sum. Next, click on Add Property to include a new column within your database. This step is crucial for defining the type of data you will be working with. Select number from the options that appear. This choice allows you to specify that the data in this column will be numerical, enabling summation functionality. Click on the first row of the number column you just created. This action prepares the cell for data entry. Enter your budget value in this first cell. Make sure this value is relevant to your budget calculations. Next, click on the second row of the number column. This will allow you to input another value for summation. Type in your budget amount for the second entry in this row. Accuracy is important here, as this value will contribute to the total. Now, click on Number to select the type of property for your summation. This aligns your entries with the intended calculation. Proceed by clicking on Calculate. This function will initiate the process of summing the values you have entered. Next, click on More Options to reveal additional features related to your database. From the additional options, select Sum. This finalizes your request for Notion to compute the total of the values in your specified column. Finally, you will see that both values are summed together in the database. This result confirms that the summation has been successfully